How to get and log in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get and log into Facebook Lite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to get and log into your Facebook Lite application, it's actually quite simple. Now Facebook Lite is only available on Android, it's not available on iPhones, so just keep that thing in mind if you're trying to do it from your iOS device. If you're an Android user, you can just open up your Play Store over here, and once you open your Play Store, just in the search box just go ahead and type in Facebook Lite, and then you'll see the official application from Meta platform themselves. So make sure that it is the official app, and now you can just go ahead and tap the install option that you can find here. It's going to take a while to download and to install it, as you would be able to find it over here as well. You can see similar app is also already available. So after the installation is complete, you can just tap the open button, and now if you want, you can go ahead and then basically log in to your Facebook account here. This way you'll be able to get and log into Facebook Lite. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.